Oh, it's too hot. It hurts. Ooh. Hello, my name is Kyla Chantel. Welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a hard wax on myself, and I'm bringing you along to see how it goes. I got a body wax kit from Amazon. It looks like this. It comes with everything you need: the wax warmer, the beads, as well as the sticks. This is what the beads look like. So I'm just gonna open it up and put it in the warmer. So this is what the warmer looks like. You can choose the different temperatures that you want. I put it to the highest to warm up quickly. And so the beads are just gonna sit in there, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's all ready to go. So it took about 10 minutes for the beads to heat up, and so now it's all ready to go. So today I'm going to be waxing my armpits, and they are embarrassingly hairy. I haven't removed the hair for about 2 months because it's winter. I mean, it's not really that cold here, but I haven't been wearing just sweaters. But now I think it's time. Here's what it looks like now that it's all heated up. Now this might be a little bit too hot because of how runny it is. So I'm just gonna lower the temperature a little bit, and then we're good started. Okay, this is what we're looking like. It looks terrible. I'm embarrassed. The way you're supposed to do this is to put the wax in the direction that the hair grows. So the top, oh, it's too hot. It hurts. It's too hot. It's too hot. I'm burning myself. So, word of advice, wait for the wax to cool before you put it on. Okay, so once it's no longer sticky, it's time to pull. Now, I did such a small section because it was hurting. Breathe, hold your skin taut, make a little flap to pull, and just pull. Ooh, it hurts. Ooh. Yeah. That hurt, but I got it off. I'm gonna try to do bigger sections so it'll go faster. Okay, I think my wax is cool, so let me try another section. So put the wax in the direction that the hair is growing. The top it usually grows up. Oh, it's still too hot. Okay, so wait for it to not be sticky anymore, so you can see sticky. So wait for it to not do that. Yeah. So make a flap, and then I hold right here. There you go. Ouch. Ouch. There was a time when they said that the hard bead wax was not painful. Oh, what a lie. It is so painful. It hurts so bad. But the results is much better than shaving, because this could give 2 weeks before the hair starts to grow back. But shaving literally starts to grow back the next day. Ow! Ooh. Ouch! Ow! Part that's, oh gosh, it's tough. 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh. Feels like a little carpet. Okay, I'm halfway done. pulling up is so much harder, but you have to pull in the opposite direction that you put the wax. Otherwise, if you do it the other way, it doesn't come off. Like, it comes out, but it's not a clean pull. When I do this, it feels like my whole skin is coming off. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Oh, I hurt the muscle in my neck. Ooh! Oh gosh, it hurts. One piece left and we'll be done. So what I like about this is that it really gets all the hair in one pull. I don't even have to go back over to really clean up anything. This will be the last pull for this arm. Here we go. Honestly, the pain lasts for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, that one wasn't too bad. Ooh, all done. It's all done. Look at that. It feels so nice and smooth. Difference. Ooh, nasty. Embarrassing. Okay, time to do the other arm. So I went ahead and did my other arm off camera and now I'm all done. These are my results. It's all clean, smooth, no stubble, no nothing, and this should last for about 2 weeks. I literally only had to do about 5 strips per arm. Maybe it was even 4 per arm, and it took probably about 10 minutes. So I will link in the description box where you can get your own wax kit, and if you try it out, let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.